Well, my name's John Lee Pettimore, same as my daddy and his daddy before. You hardly ever saw Granddaddy down here.
Obstacle.
They only come to town about twice a year. They buy 100 pounds of yeast, fence a copper line. Everybody knew that it made moonshine. Now the revenue man wanted Granddaddy bad. He'd left a holler of everything he had. Before my time, but I've been told you never come back from Copperhead Road. In a big black Dodge, bought it at an auction at the Mason's Lodge. Johnson County Sheriff painted on the side. He just shot a coat of primer, then looked inside. Well, him and my uncle tore that engine down. I still remember that rumbling sound. And then the sheriff came around in the middle of the night. Heard Mama crying that something wasn't right. He's headed down to Knoxville with a weekly load. You can smell a whiskey burning down Copperhead Road. Volunteered for the army on my birthday. They draft the white trash first round here and away. I've done 2 tours of duty in Vietnam. I came home with a brand new plane.
Good boy.